progress.
Hello everyone. Now this is my video 92 and I am very proud to show you that there is another solution to what I have converted before from the timesheet. This is solution number 3 and this is inspired by Mr. Tai. Thank you so much for your solution. I'm going to share the solution to everyone. Now my name is Kelvin Ken. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer and also a Microsoft Office specialist. Now let's take a look at my solution number 3 here, my attempt number 3. So as mentioned, we're going to use index and match. So I'm going to use index. So index, what am I supposed to look for? I'm looking for all those that with the time 1, right? But it has to match the date. So I'm going to make sure that I lock only the 7 and 20, because when I move down, I don't want it to move, but I move to the right. I want it to go to the E, F, G, and H. So comma, and I will do some matching here. So I'm going to tell them, please look for those which have 1, comma, and the condition here is the date list, right? The date list is equals to this date, 1st of June, and I need to lock only the O so that the column O doesn't move away. Then close bracket, I will multiply this with this particular column again, which is the time 1, and I'm going to make sure that I only lock the 7 and 20. It is not equals to empty, as long as it is not equals to empty. And I'm going to do an exact match. So let's see if I can get the answer right. There you go. I got the answer. Now I'm going to copy this formula to the right. Wow, see, I can match this. Now, ultimately, when there is no match, it will become an error. So therefore, my formula is not a complete formula until I put in the if error. If error. So which means in this formula, if there is a formula, then I want it to be empty. Therefore, now I copy this to the right, all the way to time 9. See, they are empty now. If I copy this down, I have another solution, right? So that's another way to do it. Equals to formula text of this cell. There you go. Now let me just make this one, let's say purple in color, right, and bold. There you go. So there are so many formulas that we can use to achieve the similar result. All right. So for those of you who wish to learn more about how do you do all this, please contact me. Let me know how I can help you. Right. I have a lot of resources that I can be able to show it to you, and we'll find a solution together. Thank you. Please, again, like and share the video. So let as many people know as possible of such solution. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video, video 93. Thank you. Bye-bye.